Did it happen again?
There's not even smoke.
This is ridiculous.
It's way too close to the stove. Who designed this shit? You're gonna have to get Zach.
What?
Again? Yep.
Yep.
Dude, just open a window.
I'll open your window.
Okay, what are you guys gonna do if this happens while I'm at work?
We'll figure it out. Will you?
Yeah.
Window.
No.
You know there's a popcorn setting, right?
There is?
Yeah, I might see the night.
Is that your mom?
Yeah, no, I know. No, it's just Zach, I promise. I'm not lying to you. I didn't lie to you.
baby.
I had pizza. What else?
Hey, I got it. Watch. Hey, watch.
Hey!
No.
No, no,
Hey!
no, 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 no,
Hey!
no, no, no,
Get away!
no, no,
Stop!
no, 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 no,
Stop!
Nails.
No! Nails! Nails! Don't you fucking...
Jesus
fucking
Oh, dude.
This is why we don't invite you anywhere!
There's no smoke.
It's on fire!
Yeah, but there's no smoke.
Okay, true, you got me there.
How was I supposed to know you're supposed to take the plastic wrap off the pizza first?
I don't know, those instructions are very cryptic.
Tell me about it. Zach's at work, huh?
Yeah!
Okay. Dude, it's not happening for either of us.
Wait, I have an idea. This isn't working!
Keep trying. Okay, yeah, it's not working.
You think?
It's time to end this once and for all.
Nice.
Shit.
I'll open a window.
Dude, yes.
Who needs that? We told them we'd figure it out.